Dear students, now we are going to discuss problems on monohybrid cross. So first one, in a monohybrid cross, made between capital T plant and small t plant, total number of F2 plants produced is 1200. Total number of F2 plants produced is 1200. The question is, what is the number of F2 with F2 plants with a heterozygous condition. Or heterozygous. Here I will give you a certain number of questions on the base of the basic stem of the question. And the second question, what is the number of F2 plants with dominant trait? Next, homozygous plants. Total number of plants with homozygous condition. D. Total number of plants with a homozygous recessive. Okay, right? So like that, we can frame so many questions on the base of the basic data of the question, right? So simply take, what about the total number of plants? To 1200. Okay, easy to calculate. So in the F2 progeny, total number of boxes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so take that 1200 divided by 4. Okay, so you'll get the probability of individual one, 300. So 300, 300, 300, 300, right? So now take first question. What about answer for first question? What they're asking? What is the number of F2 plants with heterozygous condition? Heterozygous condition in second box, third box. Its probability is 2. Okay, so 300 into 2, 600 plants. Next, question number B. Dominant trait. Probability of 1 in 2. According to second one, dominant trait. How many with dominant trait? 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes. 900. Okay, next, third question. Heterozygous plants. Out of all these boxes, how many boxes are with heterozygous out of 4 plants? 1, 2. So 300 into 1, 2. 600 plants. Okay, next, fourth question, D. Okay, maybe, wait. First question, heterozygous. Completed. Next, dominant trait. Tall. Okay. Next, this one. Homozygous plants. 1, 2. How many homozygous plants? First box, last box. Okay, acceptable. Next, D. Homozygous residue. 300 into 1 only. Okay. Any objection? Is it clear? So like that, they can frame a number of questions on the base of a basic stem of the question. Right? Is it clear? Next, one more question. As a homework for you. Now do it better. Question is, wait, sorry. Fifth question is plants with F2 plants with two kinds of alleles. Next, F2 with F2 plants, total number of F2 plants with phenotypic recombination. Means phenotypic recombinates. Phenotypic recombinants. Next, F2 plants similar to F2 plants similar to dominant basic parent, dominant homozygous parent. Dominant homozygous parent. Next, total number of F2 plants with genotype similar to homozygous dominant parent. Please do all these questions. Yes, you can speak to me. Unmute and speak to me, please.
Sir, explain once again. I was late.
Oh, you came late. You should join as early as possible. అవునా కదా? Is the question in a monohybrid cross made between capital T and small t, the total number of F2 plants produced is 1200. Okay, so use this one. Actually, the ratio is 3:1. Tall, dwarf. In tall, again, two types are present, homozygous and heterozygous. Okay, but use these boxes 1, 2, 3, 4. First box with capital T, second box with capital T, small t, third box capital T, small t, last box small t, small t. 1, 1, 1, 1, 4. Use this one, or you may use that one also, but it is very easy to understand the concept. Okay, so divide 1200 into 4 parts. Each part is with 300. So now first question, heterozygotes. How many heterozygotes are present? Second box, third box, 2. So 300 into 2, 600. Next, second question, dominant trait. How many are with the dominant trait? Tall, 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 3. So 300 into 3. Next, third question, homozygous plants. How many are in homozygous condition? First box and fourth box. 300 into 2. Next, D, homozygous ratio. How many? Only 1. So 300 into 1. Okay, do all these for yourself. Okay. Anybody? What is the answer for fifth question?
600.
Yeah, 600. That is correct. Next, seventh question. 4, 5. Sixth question, sorry. This one is 600. Okay. F.
0.
Yeah, exactly. No phenotypic recombinants. Next.
300.
Dominant 300. Already given. Next, this one.
300.
Similar to homozygous dominant. 300 into 1. Yes. Okay, here I'm writing answers for E. E question. 2 kinds of alleles, 1 and 2. So 300 into 2. Next, F. What they're asking? Phenotypic recombinants. Any intermediate type, intermediate height plant with 2.5 centimeters like that. No intermediate plant. Only parental combination, parents only. So go for 0 here. Next, G. Similar to dominant homozygous. Dominant homozygous, how many? 1. So 300 into 1. Next, H. You have 2 plants with genotype similar to homozygous. Homozygous. What is this? Same question. You have 2 plants similar to dominant homozygous parent. Yes. You have 2 plants with genotype similar to homozygous dominant parent. That is also 300 into 1. You have 2 plants with genotype similar to homozygous dominant parent. Same. Okay. Question differently asked. Yeah, that is answer. Any objection?
No, sir.
Okay. Next. Next, second question. Monohybrid cross. In a monohybrid cross, cross. Simple I'm using in a monohybrid cross made between capital T and small t. Total number of F2 plants with homozygous recessive condition. Total number of F2 plants with homozygous recessive trait is 400. Now the question is, first question, F2 plants with capital T genotype, F2 plants with capital T small t, F2 plants with a dominant trait, F2 plants with one kind of allele of that concerned gene. Total number of F2 progeny plants total produced. Next, total number of genetically hybrids, genetically hybrids. Now, first answer. Anybody for this one?
400.
Right. What they are asking? F2 plants with capital T cap. Please mute. Please mute. So out of 4, what about the number of this one? 1. So 1 into, if it is 400, definitely that is similar to the number of this one, no doubt, into 400. Next, its number is 2.
800.
So yeah, 2 into 400, beautiful. Next, this one, dominant trait. Dominant trait means tall.
Into 3.
Yeah. How many? 300 into 3 into 400. F2 plants with one kind of allele.
800.
2 into 400. Total number of F2 plants?
1600.
4 into 400. Next, total number of genetically hybrids. How many?
800.
Yes, 2 into 4. That is capital T small t. Right? Any objection?
No, sir.
In a third question, in a monohybrid cross, between capital R and small r antirrhinum plants, Snapdragon. Total number of F2 plants is 1600. Now the question is one by one questions. First question. Please recall that this sum is related to incomplete dominance. Questions. F2 plants which are phenotypic recombinants. Second question. F2 plants means number of F2 plants responsible for changing 3:1 phenotypic ratio of a Mendel monohybrid cross to 1:2:1. F2 plants according to Mendel monohybrid cross or loss of inheritance or law of dominance. Next. F2 plants with non-parental phenotype. Non-parental phenotype. F2 plants without phenotypic deviation. Anybody? Answer it.
800.
800.
Okay, so first 1600 divided by 4. So individual probability is 400. Yeah, please mute. Please mute and speak later, not now. Answer cheppin tarvata immediately mute yourself, please. Okay, so phenotypic recombinants total number out of 2. So 2 into 400. Right? Second question also, same answer, I think. Two into 400. Third question. according to
400.
yeah 2 into 400 exactly. Non-parental phenotype,
2 into 4.
yes, without phenotype deviation. Okay, any objection?
No, sir.
Right. Now, test cross. Actually, in your textbook, according to NCERT, now I am teaching some fundamentals of NCERT content regarding test cross. In test cross, the given one is, according to NCERT, capital T, actually the given one, tall plant crossed with small t given in that case. Okay, so here small t, tall means that may be capital T or capital T, small t. So here two types possible, but actually in your textbook, capital T crossed with small t, capital T, small t crossed with small t. Both are test cross according to Mendel. Actually, back cross. These two are back crosses. Second one is test cross. The given statement to know the genotype of dominant F2, we have to cross that one with recessive parent. What is the dominant which is in two types of genotypes? Capital T and capital T, small t. Homozygous and heterozygous. Please notice this one. Okay. Now the question is, so in a test cross, okay, made between capital T,
Ande?
in a test cross made between capital T, small t. Total number of plants produced is, for example, only 1200. So actually, this test cross is similar to monohybrid cross. Notice it, please. Now the question is, first question, plants with dominant trait. Next, plants with recessive trait. Next, plants with heterozygous condition. Plants with heterozygous condition. Plants with homozygous condition. Anybody? Now I am unmuting you. Answers, please. Anybody?
Sir, F1 or F2?
First question.
1200.
Yeah, exactly. 1200. 1200 correct. Next. Recessive
Zero.
trait. 0.
Zero.
Yes. Very good. Heterozygous condition.
1200.
600. 600.
600. Are you sure?
8.
Wait. Capital T, capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, capital
600.
T, small t. Wait. Capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. Now tell me the answer.
1200.
1200 is the correct one. Swagat. Check it.
Okay.
100% same.
Homozygous 0.
Yeah, exactly. 0. Got it, Swagat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next. Now I'm changing it. Test organism is now the test organism is capital T small t. Before this one, the test organism to be tested for its genotype that was capital T, now it is capital T small t. Same number. Now decide what about total number of plants with the dominant trait. Here I'm giving some hint for this one. Always do like this. In genetics, attempt the question like mathematics. Okay. So take capital T, small t here, small t here. So capital T, small t, capital T, small t, small t, small t, small t, small t. So tall, dwarf. Now answer it. First question.
600.
600.
Yeah. So 2 into 3. Okay, 300. Sorry. Next. Second one also same.
600.
600.
Yeah. Yes. Heterozygous condition.
600.
600.
Next. Homozygous condition.
600.
600.
Yes. Okay. Right. So these are a certain number of basic sums we discussed. Okay. Rest of the sums, please do yourself. 1 minute, hang on.